Okay. Well, actually, Gambia Organization of the Gambia Federation of the Disabled is the umbrella body representing the voice, the fundamental rights, the freedom and inherent dignities of all persons with disabilities in the Gambia. The Federation's mission is empowerment, equity, and integration of persons with disabilities in society. The Federation obviously represents, persons with disabilities in the Gambia. And currently there are 19 organizations of persons with disabilities that are registered in the Federation. They have their own members as well in different categories of disabilities, like visual impairment, hard of hearing, physically challenged, albinism, autism, mental impairment, among other things. Constitution of GFD every year. This is what I want to say, because if you look at RSOD, which is an OPD, that is an organization of persons with disability in Basse here, is a member of the GFD. So we respect decentralization, because we did International Day of Persons with Disability in Kanifing, we did it in West Coast region, we did it last year in LRR, and this time around we did it in Basse. So that at least our own member, that is RSOD in Basse here, can feel belong, can feel included or inclusive. This is why we came all the way to Basse, so that at least we can also move to our people at the grassroots level. So this is how actually it goes. So for annual general meeting, as I've said, it's an opportunity that creates or that provides a platform for persons with disabilities to come together, discuss our needs, discuss our rights, discuss our challenges, meet new people among us, so that we can be a bigger family. Yeah, well, it is definitely a very eventful and successful one, in the sense that obviously, at least we came, persons with disabilities were secured and safe, they were in accessible hotels, and after we were able to successfully, obtain, reports from all the 19 organizations of persons with disabilities, voicing out or outlining their challenges that they face and the solutions they think, recommendations were actually advanced. And of course, it was indeed participatory as well. And the media has actually covered all the events, and it will be sold out, or it will be publicized or published to the outside world to know that definitely, especially Gambians and the diaspora, that our people with disabilities have met out, they have gathered, this is their challenges, so they may actually help in any other way that they think they can.